This compact indoor greenhouse offers a sturdy mini grow tent that fits comfortably on a table or shelf while still giving seedlings and herbs plenty of vertical room. The thick Oxford fabric exterior and clear interior panel work together to keep warmth and humidity stable, while still letting you check on plants without constantly opening the enclosure. A pair of side vents and a zippered front opening make it easy to fine-tune airflow and handle watering without disturbing the setup. The built-in full-spectrum grow light with added red wavelengths and reflective inner lining gives seedlings and leafy greens surprisingly strong, even light coverage. An integrated timer with several preset schedules simplifies lighting for beginners and busy gardeners who do not want to fuss with separate controllers. The waterproof base mat helps contain spills and soil, so you can use this greenhouse on indoor furniture without worrying about mess or moisture damage.